The T-Mobile TV box getting stuck on the powering up screen indicates a boot failure. This means the box isn't completing its startup process. First, try a simple power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary memory issues. If this doesn't work, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. These steps address temporary glitches that are often the culprit. As of late 2025, persistent issues often stem from software bugs, incomplete updates, or less often hardware. The automated diagnostic tool in the T-Mobile app is also a good starting point for basic troubleshooting assistance. If power cycling and soft resets fail, attempt a factory reset via recovery mode by pressing volume up plus power for 10 seconds. This erases data and restores the box to its original state. Back up important apps if possible. If the loop persists, the problem might be unstable Wi-Fi, HDMI cable, or a deeper issue needing professional support. Always ensure the T-Mobile box is kept in a ventilated area to prevent overheating and avoid abrupt power cuts. The automated diagnostic tool in the T-Mobile app is also useful for complex problems. Looking forward, T-Mobile plans to release a new box model in Q1 2026 with enhanced firmware, featuring over-the-air updates and predictive diagnostics that could eliminate most software-induced loops. Consider contacting T-Mobile support if you're still stuck, especially for older models from 2023 to 2024, which may have hardware failures and need extended warranties if available.